Hello dear students, how are you? Now we will discuss the next topic of the chapter motion, that is the rate of change of velocity acceleration. Actually velocity can be changed with respect to time and that term is known as the acceleration. See the example, suppose some object is placed, it is in rest position and you are applying the force. So this unbalanced force will move this body in forward direction. So initially suppose its speed is 0, then after some time its speed will be something like the 10 meter per second or something different. Okay, so speed will change. So this velocity change per second is termed as the acceleration. Is it clear? That is acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. How much time to change the velocity? Okay, and remember acceleration is always vector quantity. Okay, before that suppose initial velocity is u and final v, so change in velocity is v minus u, and suppose time taken is t and it is denoted by a. So this is the formula of the acceleration. Now come to its unit. It is the speed minus velocity is equal to velocity, no? So it is the meter per second and time in again second, so its SI unit is meter per second square. Okay, this is the SI unit. Okay, this is the SI unit of the acceleration. Okay, one more thing I told just few seconds before, that is the acceleration is a vector quantity. Remember dear, because and its direction is always in the direction of velocity. It is always in the direction of velocity. I think it is clear. So this is about the acceleration. Acceleration is produced only due to the force applied on the body. Only then the speed will change. Speed in particular direction, that is the velocity will change. This is the acceleration. Now coming to the few block questions given just after this topic in your NCERT book. 3 questions are given, just take one by one. Block questions. Okay, block questions I am taking. See the first, just open your book and see the question. When will you say a body is in uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration? So uniform acceleration means the graph is it is always, you can say, uniform when the acceleration is remain constant. Actually we have not discussed about the graph, so I am not showing here its answer in the form of the graph. You can write its answer. First part, if it travel, that is the object, if it travels in straight line and its velocity increases or decreases by equal amount of interval of time, okay, then it is called the uniform acceleration. Equal distance in equal interval time, you have discussed now about the uniform motion. This is the same concept you will apply here, the equal change in the velocity upon equal interval of time. Okay, and the second part, non-uniform acceleration, it means if the rate of change of velocity, is not constant. Okay, so rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, you know very well. change in the velocity upon time. So simply, if it is not constant, that is the variable, every time it is changing, that it is the non-uniform acceleration. Now coming to the question number 2, block questions. See the question number 2 of block. In second question, it is asked a bus decreases. Okay, two speeds are given and it is changed in 5 seconds. So here you can take u is equal to 80 km per hour. Dear friends, you can change the kilometer per hour into meter per second also. So how? Just multiplying by the 5 upon 18. So it is 22.22 meter per second. Okay, and the velocity, final velocity, it is given in the question 60 km per hour. So 60 into 5 upon 18, that is, it will come 16.66 meter per second. Clear? So therefore acceleration, you have to find 16.66 v minus u. Okay, v minus u, final velocity minus initial velocity upon 5. So it will come minus 1.112 meter per second square. Here you can see speed is decreasing. It means this is the acceleration with negative value, and remember it is called the retardation or deceleration. Okay, just it is very important, not for this question, for this chapter. It is the negative acceleration. So negative acceleration is called the retardation. It means speed or velocity is decreasing with respect to time. Okay, this is known as the retardation. So here it is the negative acceleration, you can show with minus sign. Okay, now coming to the question number 3. Okay, I'm taking the question number 3. A train is starting from the railway station. It means the initial velocity is 0 here. Initially it was rest, and v is given in this question 40 km per hour. Convert it into meter per second. So 40 into 5 upon 18. So it is 11.11 meter per second. Time given in the question, it is a 10 minute. So convert it into seconds. So 600 seconds is the time, total time. So easily you can find the acceleration, final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So initial velocity was 0 and final was the 11.11 minus 0. Okay, upon 600. So you'll find 0.0185 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration in the block question number 3. Dear friends, after this we'll discuss in next video about the graphical representation of motion. Thank you, friends.